Well. Hello there, people. Welcome back to my channel once again. And in this video, I wanted to take you along for the unboxing of a cool part that I got for my Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 6. And it's one of those parts that I feel that I can put into my engine bay without going against what I'm trying to do with this car, which is bringing it back to factory standard in a way. Yeah, Stefan, you do not have everything factory standard. You have some aftermarket stripes and wheels and stuff, but I don't want to go that tuning route. I want to keep it as close to factory as possible, but with a little touch of me in there. This part that I'm going to show you that I hopefully will find inside this box is that particular part that I talked about in that video where I took you on a walk around. I was talking about a very special thing that I really wanted. The strut brace, which is a white line strut brace. I really want to swap it out for a Cusco carbon fiber one. Shall we just go ahead then and turn around the camera and unbox that thing? There it is. And there it is. Ooh, buddy! Oh, look at that! Look at that! It's a Cusco carbon fiber strut brace. Shall we unpack it? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. That is lightweight. The color and the finish is just so my taste in a way. I love that gunmetal tint it got, and carbon fiber, my favorite. I think we should just get that out and get that in. Are you ready? Yeah. Then we obviously gonna clean a bit under here. It's dirty. Check that out. That. My nuts. That's funny. I'm screwing my nuts. Here we have the tightening torques for the nuts that holds the strut mount to the front strut tower. And what I'm seeing here is kind of funny because this goes to show that it is important to check the manual. Like I mentioned in my previous video where I replaced the cam cover gasket, I was talking about the importance of checking the manual, just the proper way of doing stuff. Look here, people, this I didn't know. Before you mount a strut brace, you are supposed to have washers between the strut tower and the strut brace. On my car, like with this one, there was no washers between there. And that is why the sealant here gets squashed. The people that mounted this initially did not read the friggin' manual, but I do. So now I just got myself some washers, and yes, I have done it on the other side. I played around with the thickness. I do not have the factory washer, but now it doesn't interfere with the sealant there. So one washer will do, one height, I mean. And I also got these three to put on top so I don't screw up the finish on this part of the strut brace. I really want new nuts, but I don't have any. I could maybe clean them up. I think what I'm going to do is let it sit all the way up here. It's better to put it like this and tighten it up to the correct tightening torque, 44 Newton meters. But first, I need to mount the carbon fiber part. Ooh. So now the nerdy me is like coming into play. Should I put it with the nut first or the hex? Also, should I put this on top or should I put it on the bottom? I kind of like stickers. I will have the sticker pointing downwards. Yeah. And I will have the hex showing and not the nut. Like that. that. Yeah, I have to go with that, people, all the way to the one side, so they kind of spread out to the sides, so you will have more support by the mechanical interference, like in the bolt itself, and not just the tightening torque holding it down. Let me tighten it up. 44 Newton meters. 44. Or am I on 44? I am on 40 actually. Now I am on 44. Like that. Nice. Look at that, people. So now I need the tightening torque for the carbon fiber bar itself. And I reckon it will be in this writing. And that was not as easy as I thought it would be, because there's no numbers anywhere. Ooh. This product is designed for use in Japan only. It must not be used in any other country. Why? Okay. Oh, I should take it off then. Jokes aside, I'll dig in to the internet and see if I can find anything. People, I did not find the spec for that one and that one, but I found some hints that it might be around the same tightening torques as these nuts here. So I'm tightening these to 44 Newton meters. Always remember to loosen up the tension in the torque wrench after you use. So, look at that, people. Isn't that pretty? That looks amazing, I think. Yeah, definitely happy with that one. That is lovely. So, yeah, I hope you liked the video, and see you guys later. Bye, bye, bye. See ya.